Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chikelly. A lot of us neglect our feet, forgetting that it actually carries heavy load of our body. As a result of that, our feet sometimes can get all cracked, looking a bit messy, and cracked feet doesn't look nice, and very, very dry. And most times our feet we can end up having a fungal infection. So in this video, I'm going to show you a home remedy of how you can treat your feet to help remove dryness and in return keep your feet all moisturized and looking beautiful. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my beautiful people, welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button as well to receive new video uploads from me, okay? And as you do so, thank you so much for your support. And for those of you that are coming back, my regular visitors, I am grateful for your support, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Okay, now let me show you what I do to keep my feet less dry and very, very moisturized. The skin on our feet takes a lot of strength from wearing shoes to standing to walking. So that's why it's always advisable that you soak your feet at least once a week, just to help to release any toxins on your feet, and also help to moisturize your feet and remove dryness or even any infection on your feet. So today I'm going to show you how I do my foot soak. I do it like sometimes once or twice a week, depending on how busy I am, and after doing it I feel really, really relaxed. It makes me feel very relaxed after pampering my feet. So let me take you through to what I do and how I do it, more like my home remedy to keep my feet very hydrated. So the first thing I use is this Moroccan natural soap. It's 100% natural. I just use a little pump and just put it in there. This is warm water. I don't use hot water on my skin because hot water more like dries my skin, okay? If you don't have this kind of soap, you can maybe use like baking soda. Just 2 pinch of baking soda or you can use apple cider vinegar. Maybe one tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, but I prefer this soap because it helps to get rid of dead skin cells as well. So if you live in the Middle East, you can get it in some of the shops here, grocery shops. They sell it here. Don't know if you can see it very well. So this is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make sure it's pure lemon juice, not like diluted, pure lemon juice. Another thing I use is lavender oil, because lavender helps with relaxation. So I use like 5 drops of lavender oil. So I'm gonna put my feet here. So what I do is I use this hand buffer, because this hand buffer comes with the soap. So what I do is I soak my feet in this warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how busy I am. Sometimes I just soak it for about 15 minutes. So I'll take it off after 15 minutes. And then I use this buffer and just buff my feet a bit. You can do this for about maybe 2 minutes maximum. Make sure you're getting all inside your toes. So now comes the scrub. So I use the scrub that I prepared before. Just all over my feet. This scrub is very messy. This is lemon salt scrub. Lemon salt. I didn't have Epsom salt, but most of the times when I do this, I use Epsom salt. So if you have Epsom salt in your house, or if you have ordinary salt, you can use any of them. And what this is going to do is going to help to remove the dryness on your feet and dead skin cells on your feet. Don't forget your leg as well. To scrub up to the upper leg. You can even use this scrub all over your body. So you scrub for about 5 minutes. And when you finish, you just wash it off. This salt is very messy, that's why I don't usually use this one more. So if you don't have salt, you can even use sugar, white or brown sugar. So the next thing I do, is I mix honey, 1 egg white yolk with 1 tablespoon of honey. So I call this my foot mask. I mix it all together. So the next thing I do is I after mixing the honey and the egg whites yolk. Oops. This is so messy, but I don't mind because the effect is really good. Mix it all together on my feet. So I call this my foot mask. Especially my heels, because this is where you get a lot of dryness. When I finish, I just cover my feet for about 10 minutes with this foil. My entire feet, your entire feet has to be covered with this foil, okay? This is going to really moisturize your feet. And after doing this, you will see the dryness on your feet will be gone. Totally. For a long time. So you leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing it off. Time to take it off. This is a very messy, and then you wash it off. This is a very messy foot homemade. I know this is very messy, but the result is very good. Some of the things that can cause our feet to be dry is dehydration as well, stress, and low humidity. This is why it's very advisable that you should always keep your feet moisturized all the time, especially before going to bed at night. Look at that, even before I put any Look at my heels, how soft it is, even before I put any cream on. Look. So this is the cream that I'm going to use on my feet today. This cream is that cream that I made when I did my video on how to take care of your hands. I'm going to put the link on this video. So if you check this video, I'm going to put a link of the previous video so that you will know how to make it. Look at, it's been a long time I did that video, and I'm still using this cream because it can last for a very long time. It has a long shelf life. Okay. Hey, I hope you like the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And one more thing, always make sure your feet is dry all the time. And when you come out from the shower or you soak your feet in the water, make sure you clean your feet very well from the water, especially between your toes, because sometimes those areas can get a bit too moist, and in turn can make our feet to be smelly, to develop odor. So as long as your feet is dry, you're not going to develop any foot odor. Okay. And please always make sure you moisturize, you have your feet moisturized all the time, especially if you're going to bed, because your feet has overworked itself all day. So you need to give it that pamper, that care. Moisturize your feet is very, very important. This cream that I use on my feet in this video, not only is it a very good moisturizer for your feet, it smells so good. The lemon grass oil, the lemon oil in it, oh, it smells divine. So you try it and so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment below, share it. Please help me and share my video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support, and remember, Chika loves you. Take care. Bye.